Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, like I was saying yesterday, I still think this is likely a corrective pattern. I think this is more than likely like three waves of W or part of a flat. This is a WXY of either an X or a flat pattern like an AB. And I think we're potentially going to go up more, maybe even take out these highs, and then we're going to end up going down to that weekly time frame 78% Fibonacci retracement that still hasn't been hit for either a WXY or possibly a flat pattern like an ABC flat, like a 335 pattern. So, anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely still bullish. I mean, we do not have any significant break of structure to the downside yet. Anytime you see something that looks like a possible pullback, I definitely would still be looking for longs as long as we don't get a break of structure to the downside, which I think right now our most significant structure is still right here. Yes, this did make a new high, so you could say that if it breaks that structure, it could be a reversal, which I definitely wouldn't disagree with. But I would want to see it break structure with momentum. I would want to see a very strong move to the downside in order to start looking for shorts again. Because as of right now, the daily time frame is definitely telling us that we should be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.